everyone, welcome back to Let's Cook That. So since we are getting closer to the holidays and Thanksgiving is around the corner, we're gonna go ahead and make homemade mashed potato. I'm not gonna lie, I have used those bags that you just add milk or water and mix them and they're ready, but nothing like homemade mashed potato. So let's get started with those ingredients. Potatoes, whole milk, buttermilk, black pepper, salt, and some unsalted butter, and all the ingredients and measurements will be listed on the description below. Okay, so we have to boil our potatoes, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash them really good, and then we're gonna put them in the water. Make sure you submerge your potatoes in water. You can peel them if you want. I don't like to peel them because I feel like they absorb too much water. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them like this whole without peeling them. And you do not have to preheat your water, just cold water, put your potatoes, and we'll cook them for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll check them if they're ready to start smashing our mashed potato. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and check my potatoes, and I was able to insert it perfectly. So we're gonna go ahead and turn them off. Okay, so I already peeled the potatoes and I cut them. If you do not want to peel them while they're hot, then you could go ahead and peel them before you boil them, cut them, and make sure they're very soft before you start smashing. So we're gonna go ahead and start smashing our potatoes. Once you've smashed your potatoes, I'm gonna go ahead and put my buttermilk and my milk together, and I'm gonna warm it up in the microwave for like 40 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and add our unsalted butter. Since my potatoes are still hot, it's gonna melt. If not, you could go ahead and melt your butter. And let's go ahead and bring it all together. And then we're gonna slowly start adding our buttermilk. Let me go ahead and add more. And this you just keep on adding until how smooth you like it. So this is the texture that I like. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is add salt and pepper, and that's to taste. Let's stir it. Let's taste it. Needs more salt. Okay, so now our mashed potato is all done. Let me transfer it to a bowl. Alrighty, so now we put it in a bowl, and just to make it more cute, let's go ahead and drizzle some melted butter. And let's put some parsley on top. Alrighty, so we have came to the end of the video. And our mashed potato is all done. It looks very yummy. It's so easy to make. And if you don't want to use buttermilk, you could just use milk. But buttermilk does make it a little bit more creamy, so it does give it a better flavor. And just the tip is, do not add your milk or your buttermilk cold. Make sure it's warm, not too hot, but make sure it's warm when you're mixing it in. That's what will make your potatoes to get like nice and creamy and fluffy. So let's go ahead and give this a try. I love it. My favorite dish for Thanksgiving is mashed potato and corn. And of course the biscuits, you know. But let me know what's your favorite dish as your side dish for Thanksgiving. And hopefully you guys could enjoy this recipe. And I also have one of mac and cheese if you like to enjoy mac and cheese for Thanksgiving, cornbread. And we could do much more if you let me know what you would like to see. I hope you guys like this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit the little bell, you guys, so you guys can get notified every time we upload a video. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Let's Cook That.